Hey, we're doing another unboxing video here. This is more Funko Marvel bobbleheads, but there's one difference. These are San Diego Comic-Con exclusives. We found these at Barnes & Noble. They actually cost $2 more than the normal Marvel bobbleheads. But as you can see, the sets are a little bit different. There's 12 in the San Diego Comic-Con set as opposed to the 16 in the regular set. But another difference is the San Diego Comic-Con ones, they're all commons. They're all 1 out of 12. But since there was less produced, actually some of them are more sought after, like the Thanos. And even when there is, say, there's an Incredible Hulk in both sets, they're actually different in the San Diego Comic-Con ones. Alright, let's open them up. Well, whoever mine is has a really big head.
I think mine, I'm not going to guess. I want to say Spider-Man.
Mine is Dark Phoenix, and it's the glow-in-the-dark version.
I got metallic Spider-Man.
Wow, we both got I guess you can call those chase versions. They're not the standard version, even though they're all 1 out of 12. I think that looks pretty cool.
Not bad. And the heads actually look a little better than the last ones we got. They're not so high up and pretty cool. I'm happy.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.